Does you know that there's another way to preheat your bike? In the manual, it says 3 to 5 minutes. This time we'll do it. Kunyari, nagmamadali ka. You can use naman talaga. You can drive the bike. So start your bike. Yan, auto choke. Pag bumaba na ang RPM, you can now start. But how to do it? Gumamit ka ng speed na bababa, gradually. Like this one, we have 5 kph. Aabutin natin yung 5 minutes. Pero ginagamit na natin yung bike. Now, we are preheating the bike using a gradual speed. Now, we have 10. Ayan. Slow lang. So, hindi na tayo naghintay ng 3 to 5 minutes. We're now riding the bike. Maximum speed mo kung preheating the bike is 20. Yan. Ito lang yung speed natin. Tama-tama ito dun sa... Tama-tama ito sa kalsada na to. Lubak-lubak eh. Yan. So, we have now... This is 18, I guess. So, 3 to 5 minutes. We are running the bike on preheating, using preheating procedure. Preheat procedure. There. Aray ko. Malubak talaga. Now we are 15. I would say this is like less than a minute. But this is okay. Yeah, we are preheating the bike while running. Bilis naman nun. Hindi siguro sa kanya yung coach niya. My God! Ganun ba ayusin yung kasada na to? Anyway, 10 kph speed natin. So, ilan na kaya yun? Sure ka tayo. Right now, we are still preheating the bike. So, gradual speed, 20 kph maximum. Yan. Actually, everyday ginagawa ko to. Ang aking go ay dyan sa tulay. So, malapit na tayo sa tulay. We are still preheating the bike. Yan. Yan, yung mga ganito, very effective of preheating the bike. Konti na lang. By the way, sa Kalawaan to. Kalawaan, Pasig. May mga shops dito. Yan. Pero minsan lang ako bumili dyan. Mga bolts and nuts lang. Never pero okay naman sila. Malapit na tayo mag-go. Yan, we are under 20 kph. So ganun lang. Gradual speed, maximum 20 kph. Walang abrupt sa gas. And now we can go. Ganun pa din. So guys, summary. Start the bike. Choke muna. Naka-choke. Auto-choke. FI. Then pag ang ideal ay bumaba na doon sa kanyang ideal RPM, you can use the bike. Maximum speed 20. No abrupt acceleration. Gradual lang yung speed. And that's it. See you again. Oh my God. And there's a checkpoint. Wait. This is really cool. Let's go. Checkpoint. Dadaan ba ako? Okay. Hindi naman. Wala. Hindi ko. I don't know why. Baka busy sila. Anyway guys, yun lang. Thank you for watching. See you again.
Rewind, selector. Me say rewind. I miss it. Rewind, selector. Me say rewind.